Hello and blessings. My name is Troy McCormick. I'll be the instructor for Introduction to Pagan Studies. Pagan Studies encompasses the religions of Wicca, Druidry, Heathenry, Hellenism, Chemiticism, Rodnovery, and many other pre-Christian religions of Europe and other religions around the world as well, and mixes of them. Now, Wicca, the largest denomination of pagan religions in the United States, for example, has, according to Newsweek and a Trinity College study, 1.5 million followers in the United States as of 2022. That means it's larger than the Presbyterian Church. But there are no courses on this yet, so I thought, why not create one? This right here is the symbol of Wicca. It's a pentacle. What makes it a pentacle is that it has a pentagram, an upward pointing 5-pointed star, which is a pentagram, surrounded by a circle, making it a pentacle. And this is the pentacle of the triple goddess. It features an representation of the goddess. Wicca is a duotheistic religion that follows two main gods for the people that believe that's this part of the religion. And that means there is a god and a goddess. The god is known as the horned god. The goddess is also known as the triple goddess, representing both the sun and the moon, respectively. In addition to other Wiccans following a pantheon of all sorts of other deities, from the Celtic traditions, sometimes dualistically, yes, with Druidry and an Irish traditional religion. It's also present in Scotland and in Great Britain, United States, and around the world, and the diaspora, the original region I spoke of. Now, there's also a version of this with just a pentagram, just a pentacle, the horned god. More women and people using feminine energies use the triple goddess. The triple goddess is known as the triple goddess because it represents three facets of life: girlhood, motherhood, and cronehood. There's an equal and coordinate set for the horned god, which is boy, father, and sage. There's no equivalent for androgynous people or people of mixed gender. They tend to just invoke both. But some people do, for imagery iconography purposes, use a Baphomet, because a Baphomet pentacle or pentagram, when pointed up, is not necessarily a representation of Satanism, which is what is usually associated with by many people, sometimes correctly, sometimes incorrectly. We'll get into more of that later. But it features a anamorphic human and goat hybrid with horns and breasts, representing both the masculine and the feminine. So people that are androgynous and third gender leaning may be more comfortable using that representation. Possibly someone using energies from both masculine and feminine, maybe use that or both or all three. And there are also ones that just have a goddess on them, symbol of fertility or life, like the tree of life, or just a star. And that's my first delving into Wicca for you and paganism. I hope to speak to you much more.